Will this package cause extreme happiness? Let's find out. Okay, don't mind my nails. I am in the process of changing them. And this is why I don't just paint nails on, because they just peel off super quick. But I'll be doing a polygel set very soon. In this video, I wanted to show off and unbox a mystery glitter and charm box that I picked up from Etsy. What I have here is from Resin Molds and Glitter. They have different sizes ranging from $7.99 to like $18, and I think this one was $12, so I got the large size, which looks like quite a bit of stuff. Spoilers, but yeah, quite a bit of goodies, little bits of everything. I'm working on building up my collection, and I thought this would be a good way to go about it. Let's open this up. I do see some very cute stuff. I see a little McDonald's logo thing. That's gonna be fun. All right, we're gonna do one or two at a time. I don't know. Dinosaurs! Oh, cute. Dinosaur confetti and some sparkles. Not gold, but like not silver. I don't know what color that is. It's different, like different than this. Like, see, this is like holographic glitter, which is amazing and probably some of my favorite. And snowflakes. Oh, this is awesome because I was just thinking that I need to do some holiday Christmas designs. I was gonna buy some. Now I don't have to because it came in the set. That's amazing. All right, I will definitely take that. What else do we got? Okay, so these are oh my gosh. Look at this. A little McDonald's. It looks like a little like, I don't know. Kind of reminds me of like Belle, but like I don't think it is. I don't know who that is. It's somebody. And a little like heart. Got a little heart with flowers on it. Oh my gosh, that's super pretty. I want to take these out. And a Chicken Express. I don't know about some of this stuff. I don't know if I'll use them all, but kind of fun. You never know. Maybe I want to make a Chicken Express nail set one day. And then, oh, Winnie the Pooh. Look at it. Okay, that's cute. I don't know what I'd do with this either, but it's cute. So this one's like squishy, kind of. And this is like a hard kind of clay. I don't know exactly what it's made out of, but it does look custom made. I don't know, but it's adorable. And then the little freaking, it's just the little fries. Look at it. And then of course the heart. Just look at the shimmer on it. Oh, I like that. So far, so good. Some useful stuff, some not so useful stuff, but that's kind of what happens with the mystery boxes. A little Mickey, rubber Mickey thing. I guess I could make a bracelet or something out of this. I don't know exactly what. Oh my god, there's, oh, I dropped it. More Mickey. This whole little bundle is like Disney. Look, this is like a rhinestone Mickey head. All right, and then, okay, oh. We got Cruella. Look, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It is so cute. It's just a flat plastic. Looks like hand painted, probably. Yeah, oh my god, that is adorable. I love that I got some Disney stuff. Also, Disney Little Castle, it looks like it's might be like 3D printed. I'm actually wondering. Oh, that side's the side that's not pretty. That's the back side. This side has sparkle. Little bit of sparkle to it. Yeah, it's not like crazy or anything, but it's definitely like the castle. Then, how appropriate. Moon and star crescent. I have so many moon and star things because it's a Turkish thing. I could make something cool with that for sure, for sure. Okay, still got a lot more to go. Okay, I'm seeing another Mickey. Another Mickey, but ooh. It looks kind of like jean material with like painted gold stars on them. That's actually super cute. I don't know what I'd do with it yet, but collecting stuff is fun, right? What is this? I actually might have nightmares about this. I don't even know. Kind of creepy looking. Got like dolls, Thomas the Tank Engine, and elephant with red dots. I have no idea. Don't ask. I'm confused by that one for sure. Cute! It's a Donald Duck. Actually, I do need to do Dreamlight Valley nail set very soon, so I might even incorporate this into that nail set. And then, but wait, there's more. What is this? Looks like a blue donut-y thing. It looks like icing on a cake, but there's no cake. Okay, more hearts. And always, oh, I got two of them. So this matches this, but different color. Oh, I'm thinking Lilo and Stitch vibes with this. Yeah? Yeah, I like that. Very pretty. Okay, okay. Let's do some glitter. We got more glitter. Oh, we got pumpkins. Are those pumpkins? Not sure what those are. Hold on. So they are kind of like pumpkins, and there's like the hollowed out shape And then the circles, that is kind of like the outline of the pumpkin. So I think that's pretty cool that it's a mix of both of those. Look at it, that's cute. Perfect for Halloween for next year, because I actually didn't have any charms that were Halloween this year or anything like that. I was just getting started doing this type of stuff right before Halloween. And then this is a kind of a burnt orange chrome kind of glitter. Interesting. I like it. Goes well with those charms. And actually it's good for fall. I might use this on some fall set. Yeah, let's do that. All right, let's see what we got now. Fall leaves! Oh, perfect. See, this is another one of those things that, like, I was debating buying stuff like this straight out, but then I was like, what if I just do a mystery bundle, and if I get lucky, I'll get some of the stuff that I was hoping to obtain. Ooh, look at that shine. Why is it so yellow? I don't know why it's so yellow shiny, but super pretty. And I like that they pair each of the confettis with a glitter that kind of is supposed to go with it, but like you don't have to, but I like that they do that. Then more glitter, more things. What is, oh, sorry, you can't see this and you can't see why I'm excited, but I'm gonna take it out. I think they're black, but they have this like iridescent color shifting look. Okay, I gotta take this out of the baggie to get the full effect. And then a black similar styled glitter. This is piratey, but cooler. I need to do a cool pirate set, don't you think? Yeah. Just look at that. They're black, but look at the shifting in colors. That is magical. Holy crap. And then you get like the color. These need to get used in a set like ASAP. There's a bunch. This bag is chock full of them. Like it's pretty thick for a little bag of glitter. I love it. All right, we're gonna do another set of charms. Looks like, oh, another donut. Okay, so I'm guessing that this is supposed to be kind of like another donut-y type thing. Just look at that. Oh, it looks so edible. I just wanna, but I can't eat it. Then we have, oh God, another one of these. I'm sorry, this is like the biggest L for me from this set. I'm never gonna use this. This is going probably in the garbage, or I might throw them in the donate bin and see if some kids maybe would like them, but like, I don't even know if I'd want to traumatize any kids with these. I'm sorry. Everything else is cute. These are just, no. And there's two of them. No. Oh, cool. I love the Disney stuff I got from this. Like, I'm actually really shocked. It's just like hand painted. He's got the apple, don't eat it. So we're getting all the villains. Wait, who's this? Okay. What? Happy Veterans Day, I guess? I don't know. What, is this a state? There's a frog. Is there a state related to frogs? It's like America. I have no idea. But, that was not what I was expecting. I thought that was gonna be another Disney villain. Okay, and the last two charms. Do you see this? I want more of these. It's like mermaid scales. And then another heart. So now I have 3 blue hearts, a mermaid. This one is now giving me SpongeBob vibes. Should I do SpongeBob nail set too? There's so many ideas, but oh my God, this one's so pretty. You know what? Like, this is the type of stuff where like, I hope that they sell them on their shop if I wanted to pick up more of something. I think they would. I think they do. Maybe that's why they do the mystery boxes, so that you know what you want and then you can order more later, because like I want more of that mermaid thing. And there's a couple other things here I would probably buy. Oh, wow. That was a cool little box. I'll put a link in the description below to the Etsy shop where I got this from. Glitter Resin Shop. Resin Molds and Glitter is the name of the shop. So got quite a bit of stuff. Wait, we're not done. We're not done. I forgot. One more thing. I don't know if I need to take these out. You'll get the gist of it pretty quick. Aliens. Look at the aliens. Oh my God, we're gonna do an alien set. We're gonna do all the sets. Alien isolation set. Yeah, there we go. And then just more like silver glitter. I like this glitter a bit more because it's a little bit chunkier, but I think I could mix them, have them look good together. But like by itself, this is just a plain silver, so it's not too exciting. But if you mix it, then you're good. We got lots of cool stuff in this set. I'm very happy with that. For 12 bucks, you get all this stuff. Trying to get it all in camera, hold on. So yeah, you can kind of see all the goodies that were in this package-ish. Not all of them. All the good stuff you can see, let's just say that. It's all there. But yeah, that's a good what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Like 35 items. And a lot of them are going to be used multiple times, like the glitter and stuff. So like, this is a really good deal. Some of this charm stuff I don't know if I'm going to use it all, but overall, pretty good deal. Let me know what type of nail content you guys would like to see next, and yeah, what should I design with this stuff? I didn't have a plan because I just got home. I didn't have a plan to even do a design tonight, but if you guys want to put a comment and let me know what you'd like to see with all this stuff, which I'm going to use eventually, but if there's something specific you're like, I want to see that turned into a nail, let me know, and I will try to make it happen sooner rather than later. Okay? All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!